The first one is 2019. Every morning in 2019, I would get up at 5 in the morning. I'd go to the Starbucks over at Safeway, that Langley Fraser Crossing, pull up my computer, and I'd start typing, writing a book. Just bang, 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 bang. And for the first 2.5 hours, writing, erasing, editing, copying, pasting, all this stuff, just doing it. After 2.5 hours, there was people coming in. It was getting busy. There was a cacophony of sound around. And so I'd close my computer, and I'd just watch people. Well, one day, standard lineup, 4 or 5 people long. And there was this one little old lady who came to the front. She'd been in line for 3 or 4 minutes, and I'll tell you what she was not doing in those 3 or 4 minutes. She was not looking at the big menu. She was not deciding what she wanted. But there she was before the server. "May I help you, ma'am?" "Well, let's see." The lineup was getting bigger. It was almost out the door. She decided what she wanted. It came to just under $10. So this dear, by now I'm standing up. I'm over by the counter looking at the menu. And she pulls out her change purse and dumps it on the counter. 5, 15, 15 and 25, 40, 50, 55, 55 and 25, 75, 80. And this big guy, construction worker, sunglasses on his head, high-vis vest on, steel-toed boots, scruffy beard. He gets out of his place about 5th in line, and he walks over there, and now I'm getting closer. I want to hear what's going on. And I'm waiting for it. Haven't heard anything yet. I've heard a lot of moans and groans. But this guy comes up, reaches into his back pocket, pulls out his card, and he says, "Tap," to the server. She was there in a shot. Beep, beep. And then, and that's not even the best part of the story, he goes, "There you go, dear, it's on me." I'm thinking, like, wow. Where was I? I mean, watching. The best part of the story is he reached over and grabbed a gift card. He says, "Put $25 on this. Tap, beep, beep." He says, "Here you go, dear. This is for the next few times you come in. Just give them this card. They'll take the money off. They'll give you a receipt, let you know how much you have left, okay?" And her smile was enrapturing. It was just, and I looked at the server, and she's like, "Okay." I look at the first 2 people in line, and they're like, me, I'm leaking. I get goosebumps thinking about it. That was the outward manifestation of the infilling of the Holy Spirit. I'm convinced of it. That's what it looks like. The love of God, the patience, the kindness, the goodness, the gentleness. And there I was watching. Okay, next story. Year's 2006, I'm working as an immigration officer, Vancouver Airport. I'm effecting the deportation of a suspected terrorist. I'm going to make a really long story really short. I'm going to leave out all the best parts, except one. I hurt myself really bad. My back is totally screwed up. My neck is totally screwed up. I fight with WCB for the next 2 years, take an early pension buyout in 2008. Late 2008, I'm in a car wreck, total off my new car, exacerbating the neck and back pain.